All right, guys. I bought this Range Rover Evoque used. Then when I opened the key fob, I tried to use the key blade, which is in there. Let me open it. And let's see what it looks like. When I try to use the key blade, okay, before I do that, I'll show you guys how this works. So you take the key blade out of the key fob, push it. As soon as you do that, it's gonna unlock the cover. Boom. This is a key blade in case your battery died and you cannot use the key fob to unlock the car. You can physically unlock the car. What happened to mine, when I put the blade, the key fob come with the blade. I tried the blade, nothing happened. I went to the dealer. I did the first copy, it didn't work. The second copy did not work. So I asked them what to do. They're like, well, because the car is used, you never know what happened. Maybe they replaced the key cylinder, so I need to get a new one. So I asked them how much it's gonna cost. They said I need to pay $200 and something for the cylinder and about hour and a half for labor, which is also another $200 and something. So pretty much it was gonna cost me close to $500 just to replace this. Then I remember I used to have a BMW. It was easy to replace this. The cylinder is easy. Now this is a different story. If this breaks, that's a different story, but the cylinder easy to fix. On this side you have, mine is a 2014 Range Rover, so you're gonna have this cover. So pry this open, use a plastic prime tool so you don't scratch your car to take this off. When you take this off, you're gonna need a star head screwdriver, this is a T20. A T25 will work as well. So T20, I bought the set. A T25, it's the best. What I did, I tried on the door here, it works. So you need a T25. A T25 with a flashlight. Look in there. I don't know if you guys can see, it's hard to see, so it's hard with the camera, but pretty much when you go in the hole here, you're gonna see this. So use a T25. Then the story is, I went online, I bought a new cylinder. It comes with 2 keys for about $137. So it was like $126, and for shipping something maybe like $10, something like that. So it was about $137. So instead of paying close to $500, it cost me $137 to buy the set. Comes with 2 keys. So this is the first time I'm gonna do it with my Range Rover. I've done it in my BMW. So you unscrew it, and I think BMW, Volvos, pretty much most European cars are like this. It's hard to do with one hand because I'm holding the phone. Let's see if this is gonna happen. So you loosen it. I wanted to do the video with my son, so he can hold the camera, but he's not here right now. This is an expensive car. I don't know if it's worth. Messed up something just for the video, but you guys have the idea. Let's see. I need a flathead screwdriver. If I have both hands, it would have been a lot easier. Okay, looks like it's coming. I'm not sure if the metal part is coming by itself. Oh, there you go. Easy. As a matter of fact, I think I should have used the key to take it out. All right, let's see. All right. Bam. Voila. This is off. And I have to say, the screw is still in there. So this is where the screw was. You don't have to worry about it. It's going to stay in there. So unscrew it, pull it. Don't not take off the plastic part, just the metal's gonna go in here. So 500, it took me what, less than 5 minutes, and if I wasn't doing the video, it would have taken me a lot less. That's not even 5 minutes. So what you're gonna do, take the new one, okay. I'm a little worried right now because, oh, okay, it's the same. I saw this and this. Oof, it worries me. Yeah, okay, it's the same thing. I thought I got the wrong part. So put it in. Let's see how it goes in. So it's gonna go in the same way. I see you have to lift the handle. Alright, I'm gonna stop the video because I don't want to break it just for the video, but you guys get the idea. Take it off and put it in. I have to use both hands. So once you put this in, go here, lefty loosey, righty tighty to tighten up, then you put the plastic cover. Okay, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe. I hope this helped and save you guys lots of money. There's no reason to go to the dealership and pay them $500 for this. Okay, all right, bye.